we recently acquired this Harley Sportster that was made in June of '05. So I don't know if it's '06 or an '05, I'm not sure. But anyway, we have the title, so let's look into that. Anyway, what we're doing here is we're going to strip it down to the bare bones bike just as it came from the factory, because I believe I have all the factory parts to make it 100% stock. So I just kind of wanted to show this windshield. This is going to be available for sale. And the windshield has, if you look close here, the bar and shield. I believe that's a genuine Harley Davidson shield. Then we've got a sissy bar back here. Looks pretty good. I don't know if it's genuine or not, but we're going to be taking this off too. Then we have an exhaust that says Python. It's a 2-in-1. It looks like it's in really good shape. Needs cleaned up a little bit. Now keep in mind, this bike has not been on the road for years, and it was sitting in a garage. And also, we're going to be selling off this crash bar. Looks pretty good. All these parts are pretty nice. I don't think we've ever had any trouble with this bike. And this was acquired from the original owner. So we're going to be selling the accessories and putting the stock accessories back on, or stock parts back on. So if there's any interest in the bike in the meantime, let us know. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.